Hey kids, in this video I'd like to show you how to draw like the artist Gustav Klimt. He lived over 100 years ago, but is still famous for his beautiful paintings with gold colors and many decorations. Luckily for us, we can make our own versions of his art using metallic markers. Let's get started. The first thing to do is draw our tree with a pencil on black cardstock paper. Starting at the bottom, draw all the way up, close to the top, make a curl to the right and end with a point, and then come back down again, getting a little wider as you go. You'll see that pencil lines do show up pretty well when drawing on black paper. Next, we're going to start adding larger branches to our tree, always with a curl to make them look extra fancy. I'm starting with one on the right. Then I'm adding a branch on the left side. This one's going to be a little bit longer, just to be different, but it's still very curly. Now let's add another large one on the right that is similar in size. And that, I think, will do it for the large branches on our tree. The plan now is to start adding a bunch of medium-sized branches. They can be attached to the main trunk or one of the larger branches. Just try to make them curly and connected with a curve if you can. I'm just looking to see where there seems to be a bit of open space and adding more medium-sized curls or branches there. This isn't like your average tree, which is symmetrical. We're just trying to make this one look really full. Moving on, we can start to fill things in with smaller curl shapes. You can put a couple next to each other, or fill in a gap, or make one that curls in both directions. There are no rules except to have fun and get creative. Now the left side of my tree needs some attention, so I'm going to add some small curls there too, wherever I see room for them. Some on the ends of other curls, some curling in the opposite direction, some to fill in the spaces that I see. Just enough to make the tree look balanced. This is my favorite part, tracing all of the tree lines with a metallic gold marker. I like to use this Crayola brand as they make really bright colors. After the tree is traced, then use that gold marker to carefully fill it in. Okay, from here on out, you are more than welcome to decorate your tree however you want. Gustav Klimt sometimes added what looked like triangle leaf shapes, so I'm going to draw a whole bunch of those using a silver marker. But again, draw whatever shapes you like and use whatever color you like. I'm going to switch over to drawing stars now using a blue marker, but if those are tricky for you to draw, you could also make hearts or diamonds or any other favorite shape you might have. Now any empty spaces you have are probably getting a little smaller, so one easy solution is just to draw lots of circles, large and small, whatever size you like. After I've added as many circles as I can, I'm going to switch colors and then go around for a moment and just add a lot more dots. And that, my friends, is how you can draw like the artist Gustav Klimt. He liked to make decorative paintings of nature and people, many of which, even after 100 years, still fascinate the world. At Art Projects for Kids, you'll find many more drawing video lessons just like this, including one for Matisse, Chagall, and Charles Demuth. I hope you check them out too.